Good morning. Dito ako ngayon sa for breakfast time. Ito mga cereal. Yan. Ito naman ang mga juice station nila. Yan. And then, ito naman ang coffee machine. But I'm sorry, I'm not fan of coffee. Yan. With a pressed milk. And nasa ito, ayun yung mga Pilipino rin. Ito yung mga ano nila. Morning.
Morning.
The food station. With the bread station, different kinds of breads. Yeah. Hello, my favorite thing, Cruzan. Favorite ko. Tapos ito yung main course. Ito, may porridge pa sila. Yan. Ito, masarap yung sausage na. Sausage. So, naman yung salad station, salad station. Okay, I'll take my foods so I can take my breakfast now and maghapon kaming mamamasyal ngayon. Andito kami sa may Go Hotel dito sa may Czech Republic. Okay, good morning.